Hello. As a teacher, do you ever dread grading papers? Do you ever feel as though you never get to use your students' data consistently and effectively due to time constraints? If your answers are yes to my questions, then Socrative may be the online program for you. Hello, I'm Tina Clark and welcome to this video tutorial. This video tutorial will help you as an educator to create online quizzes using a program by the name of Socrative. First, I will open Google Chrome by double-clicking the Google Chrome box. Once I have opened Google Chrome, I will type Socrative in the search box to open the website and click Enter. If you would like to access Socrative using an alternative method, you may type in www.socrative.com in the URL. Now I will click the first link, Socrative Home. Next, I will click Login. Then click Teacher Login. If you have a Google account, you may go ahead and click Sign in with Google. Since I have already used this program using my Google account, I will go ahead and click on my Google account. I will click Allow. I'm going to click Create Account. This is where you will type in your first name, last name, email, this is where you can create yourself a password. Once you have filled in all of the boxes, click Next. Okay, right here I have an error. Let me go and correct that error. Okay, the country, of course, is USA. I do agree with terms and conditions. I am a K-12 educator. Type in zip code. School I'm working at is I'm at Valdosta Middle School, and I'm a teacher there. Next, I'm going to click Next, and I'm going to use the free version of this program and click OK. Okay, now since we're all set, This page will display any quizzes that have been previously created by you. If you are a teacher who teaches the same content from year to year, then this program allows you to save quizzes which can be reused each year. So what we're going to do is create a quiz. We're going to click Add Quiz. Create New. Okay, this page displays, in my opinion, one of the best features of the program. Of course, on this page, you are able to create a quiz. However, Socrative allows you to choose a standard that can be correctly aligned to the content. Next, I'm going to place my cursor in the first box. This is where I will type the title of my quiz, which is Biomes Quiz. Next, I'm going to click Align Quiz to Standard. The subject is science. We're going to find Georgia Standards of Excellence, 7th grade. And the standard that we're looking for this particular quiz is S7L4. Finally, let's create a question for our quiz. You can create any of the following questions, such as a multiple choice question, true false question, or a short answer question. For example, I will create a multiple choice question. Usually what I do when creating quizzes using Socrative is find a quiz which I have saved already in my files. This is typically a quiz which would require me to go to the copier machine to make copies for each student. Thanks to Socrative, these days are over. So I will copy a question and paste the question to Socrative. The question which I am copying in the box is, which biome is located in the Arctic Circle or on high mountaintop, characterized by bitterly cold temperatures and high winds? In the answer boxes, I am typing taiga, desert, tundra, and tropical rainforest. Next, I will choose the correct answer, which is tundra, by clicking the box beside the box. This correct answer will turn green, then click save. To add additional questions, click on the box with the plus sign at the bottom of the image. I will save and exit once I finish creating the quiz. Once the quiz is saved, you will see a green image. Any saved quizzes will be located on this page. Now, in order to make your quiz accessible to your students, you will click Launch, click Quiz, locate the Biomes quiz and click it. Click Next. You will have the option to choose Open Navigation, Teacher Paced, or Instant Feedback. I personally like Open Navigation. I would choose Open Navigation. I also like to shuffle the answers and show final score. This allows the students to have randomized questions to avoid cheating, and so students can view their final score after completing the quiz. I always require their names. Click Start. Finally, you will give your students the code located at the top of the screen so they are able to take the quiz. This finalizes my tutorial on using Socrative. My email address is tc0 06, I'm sorry, let me start over. My email is tc06019 at georgiasouthern.edu. If you have any special questions that you would like to ask me personally, you can email me any questions that you may have. And again, my email address is tc06019 at georgiasouthern.edu. Thank you.